An entrepreneur with no real estate development experience wants to build Miami-level luxury condos in Austin, Texas, a city where almost all high-end homes are single-family. 6 years ago, Austin Capital Partners Jonathan Coon set out on an unusual quest to build a Four Seasons private residences on a bluff overlooking Lake Austin. With no building yet and only a virtual walkthrough simulation, he's managed to sell 50 of the branded development's 179 homes. They've continued to add amenity after amenity. There's golf simulators, indoor tennis, pickleball and paddle courts, thermal baths. The project's costs have ballooned to an estimated $1 billion, but due to difficulties finding construction financing, construction has not started. However, Andrew Joblon of Turnbridge Equities is stepping in to make this ambitious project a reality. Joblon and Turnbridge are known in Austin for their South Congress office and retail development. Last month, they bought into Four Seasons with a substantial investment and have plans to start building this fall. Coon and Joblon want to prove that Austin has matured from a secondary or tertiary city into one where the world's wealthiest will spend big bucks on condos. The city's wealthiest splurge on large properties near the creeks and nature preserves to the west, while the city's downtown looks to have more cranes in the sky than clouds some days. And the high-rise lifestyle remains rare. In the first week of June, 12 homes sold in Austin with a last asking price above $2 million, and just one was a condo. At the Four Seasons, the first listing was a 2,900 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms asking $6.8 million. At $2,380 per square foot, it would be one of the city's most expensive condos ever sold. What do you think? Will Austin be able to realize Miami vibes?